customer needed to outfit the rest of their warehouse with this structural steel pallet rack system. These are C3 channel structural steel uprights, 18 foot tall by 60 inches deep. And we have 8 foot 4-inch C-channel load beams to carry the load. You can see they have tall product that will go under the first shelf level. That first shelf level is at over 8 foot high, clear. And then we have some beams up in the top to tie it off, since there's only one shelf level. This job installed in a couple of days. Nice and neat and complete. And as always, you want to keep the end of your pallet rack rows safe with our rack end protection kits. Makes a big difference in preventing damage on uprights.